Let's talk about the recently launched Realme smartphone 13 Pro Plus with Monet-inspired design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED curved display, 6.7 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 93% screen to body ratio. Approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 2000 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 24mm Sony LYT-701 sensor main camera with aperture 1.88 and support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel 73mm Sony LYT-600 sensor periscope telephoto camera with aperture 2.65 and support optical image stabilization, and with 8 megapixel 16mm ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2. For selfies it has 32 megapixel 21mm centered punch-hole Sony front camera with aperture 2.45. Video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 5.0 screen on top the device, and the company provides up to 2 years of Android upgrades and 3 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.40 GHz quad-core Cortex-A78 plus 1.95 GHz quad-core Cortex-A55, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2, 4 nanometer chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB, 12 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage. No micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.34 by 73.91 by 8.23 or 8.41 millimeters, and it weighs around 185.5, 190 grams, and the color options, Monet purple, emerald green, Monet gold colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5200 mAh battery with 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, IP65 dust and water resistant, and with NFC support market dependent. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme 13 Pro Plus has been priced in India for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 30,999 Indian rupees, while the 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 32,999 Indian rupees, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 34,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Realme 13 Pro Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.